Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Nazar Ibrahim, and today the topic of our discussion is linear programming 0580 Mathematics Paper 2. As you all know that we are from channel Teaching by SM, and one intention of making these videos is that the revenue generated for the first 6 months will be donated to the Palestinian people. So I would request and recommend all the viewers to kindly support our cause, subscribe our channel. Jazakallah. Okay, the first question we can see four lines in the graph. Linear programming deals basically with inequalities. We have to sometimes plot the inequalities. We have to sometimes recognize the inequalities. So the basic thing over here is to understand that the general form of linear equation is y is equals to mx plus c, and in this m is equals to gradient and c is equals to y-intercept, the point where the line intersect the y-axis, like this point, right? And m is the gradient, it means that the slope, right? Okay, so we have four different inequalities over here. We need to find out which one belongs to which one first, and then we have to find out the region that satisfies all these four inequalities. Okay, for the first one we can see that y is less than equals to 2. So this is the line y is less than equals to 2. This is basically y is equals to 2, and the inequality means that the region which is lesser, right? Lesser region over here is this one, and but the question says that unwanted regions, shade the unwanted regions. So y is less than equals to 2 is the below one. I will shade the above because we have to shade the unwanted region. So unwanted region over here is this one, right? Okay, now second is y is greater than equals to 1. So this is y is greater than equals to 1 is equals to 1, and greater than equals to 1 means I will see the region, right? So the upper part over here is y is greater than equals to 1, and the lower part is less than equals to 1, right? So I will be shading the unwanted. This is unwanted over here. Okay, now the third part is y is less than equals to 2x minus 1. So which one is this line? First I need to see this. As you all can see that the y-intercept over here is -1, and -1 is over here, right? So this is basically y is less than equals to 2x minus 1. So now the region over here is greater than, and the region over here is less than, right? So I need to find out the unwanted, right? So unwanted is basically this part, right? Okay, the fourth one is y is y is less than equals to 5 minus x. I can see that the y-intercept 5 over here. Okay, this is the equation. This is the line y is less than equals to 5 minus x. Now I know that in this type of a line, this is the greater than part and this is the less than part. So the unwanted region is greater than part. So greater than part is this one. Okay, so less than part is the below one. So the region which is still safe and which is not shaded by any of the inequality is this part. So this is basically the region which is unshaded, and which is the region which is satisfying all the four inequalities. Clear? Okay, question number 2. By shading the again unwanted regions, find then label the region R. Okay, so again doing the same. One is x is greater than equals to 0. Greater than equals to 0 means this part, and since this is greater, so the part to be shaded is this, but unwanted, so unwanted is this part. Okay, now y is x plus y is greater than equals to 7. If I compare, first make it in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, so this would be 7 minus x, and according to y is equals to mx plus c, this is the y-intercept. So 7 is this part. So this is basically x plus y greater than equals to 7. Now the greater than part is the upper part, this is the greater than part, right? I will be shading the less than part, right? Because unwanted, so unwanted is this part. Is it clear? Okay. Y is greater, the third thing is y is greater than equals to x. Now this is very clear, we should remember this. This is y is greater than equals to x. Now here greater than equals to means this part, right? This is greater than equals to. Now I will be shading the unwanted, that is this part, right? Clear? Okay, the last part, this is x plus 2y less than equals to 20. So this is the remaining equation. So this will be the equation x plus 2y less than equals to 20. So if I see the lesser part is this, right? And this is the greater than part. So I'll be shading the greater than part over here. So greater than part is this, right? So the region which we can see as left and unshaded is this region only, right? I hope that's clear. Okay, moving towards question number 3. Okay, in 1 week, Neha spends x hours cooking and y hours cleaning. X hours cooking and y hours cleaning. The time she spends cleaning is at least equal to the time she spends cooking. Okay, this can be written as y is greater than equals to x. Okay, she spends no more than 16 hours in total cooking and cleaning. No more than 16 hours. And she spends at least 4 hours cooking. Write down 2 more inequalities in x or y to show this information. So using this information mentioned over here, we have to make 2 inequalities. Okay. So the cooking is represented by x and the cleaning is represented by y. So she spends at least 4 hours cooking means, at least means that she spends 4, maybe greater than 4, at least, right? So x is greater than equals to 4. And she spends no more than 16 hours. So 6 maybe can be 16 but not more than 16 in total cooking and cleaning. So x plus y is less than equals to 16. Is it clear? Okay. Second part is complete the diagram to show the 3 inequalities, shade the unwanted region. So I have one equation done, that is y is equals to x, and since it is y is less than equals to x, y is greater than equals to x. So y is greater than equals to x means this is the region which should be done, but we are shading the unwanted, so which is given. So this is the unwanted region. Okay. Second, I have to make 2 inequalities. One is x is greater than equals to 4. Other one is x plus y is less than equals to 16. So the easy one is x is greater than equals to 4. So x is greater than equals to 4 means here we have this part, right? So this is x is greater than equals to 4. X is equals to 4. And now first make x plus y is equals to 16. So 16 is the y-intercept. 16 is the y-intercept over here. And if I make this equation like y is equals to 16 minus x, actually to plot any line I need 2 points, and to make those 2 points I can first consider this inequality as an equation, right? So I just moved x over there, so y is equals to, I am considering it as an equation, y is equal to 16 minus x. Since the plots are the graph is scaled in one box is equals to 2, right? So I will just put one value x is equals to 2 over here to get another point. One point is can be made by just looking at the equation, because I compared this equation with y is equals to x plus c. So I knew that 16 is the y-intercept. I plot this point over here. Second point I'm getting by putting another point So y is equals to, I'm putting x is equals to 2, so 16 minus 2 is 14. So 2 comma 14, 2 comma 14 means this point, right? So using scale I will plot this. I hope that's clear. So this is exactly the equation, this line. Okay, now plotting the unwanted regions. Unwanted region in the one is shown to me. Second one is x is greater than equals to 4. So greater than equals to 4 is lying over here. I will be plotting the unwanted, that is less than equals to 4. Okay, x plus y is less than equals to 16. So less than is this part. So I will be plotting the greater than part, that is this part, right? So the region which is unshaded is this part. Clear? Okay, Neha receives $10 for each hour she spends cooking and $8 for each hour she spends cleaning. Work out the largest number she could receive. $10 for each hour she spends cooking. Cooking is represented by x, so 10x plus $8 for cleaning, so 8y. So I need to check the shaded region, which is the region or which satisfied all three inequalities, and I have to search for the point which make this amount maximum, right? So this can be this point, can be this point, this can be, but 8 and 8, yes, 8 comma 8 can be the point. This is 6 comma 8, right? This 8 comma 8, and this will be lesser, this will be lesser. I have to see the for the maximum, right? So maximum is can be this 8 comma 8, can be 6 comma 10, and can be 4 comma 12. So 3 points are there. Let us check all the three. So 4 comma 12, 6 comma 10, and 8 comma 8. So 4 comma 12 means 10 into 4, 40, plus 8 into 12 divided is 96. So that will make up to 136. Okay. Second 10 6 is 60, plus 8 10 is 80. This is summing up to 140. Third is 10 8 is 80, plus 8 8 is 64. So this is 144. So the largest is 144. So 8 comma 8. Okay. The largest amount is 8 comma 8. So 10 is 80, plus 8 is 64, 144. Clear? So $144. Okay. Question number 4. There are 4 inequalities that define the region R, right? Now see the another type of question. One of these is y is less than equals to x plus 1. So first check out this line, which is this line. You see again y is equals to mx plus c. If I compare it with this, so I'm getting y-intercept as 1. So y-intercept as 1 is this part. So this is equation y is less than equals to x plus 1. Again I'm saying this little part that I'm writing the inequality. Actually this is an equation, right? Y is equals to x plus 1. But since we are dealing with inequality, so I'm just showing the representation of this line. I hope that's clear. Okay, second is, if I see this part, this is basically a straight line parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis means that y, and since the shaded region is up, so it should be greater than equals to, and since this point is lying between 1 and 2, it means 1 upon 2. Y is greater than equals to 1 upon 2. So the second part is y is greater than equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, now the third one, which is over here, if I see that this is point is 0 comma 0, right? It is not having any y-intercept, that is just 0 comma 0. And second point, if I take this is 4 comma 3, right? 4 comma 3. Okay, it has y-intercept 0, so c is 0. And if I take out the gradient, so m is equals to 3 minus 0, 3, and 4 minus 0, 4. Rise is 3 and run is 4, 3 upon 4. So y is equals to 3 upon 4x, and since the region which I want is on above, so y is greater than equals to 3 upon 4x. I hope that's clear. Moving towards question inequality 4. Inequality 4, if you notice over here, is pointed, right? You see a pointed line. Now pointed line means, we will discuss this. First let us take out the equation. So we can see that, sorry, inequality, we can see that it has a y-intercept that is 3. So y-intercept is 3. Okay, if I take 2 points, I can take this point as 6 comma 0, and second point if I take like this point, so this is 0 comma 3. So if I take out gradient, so it will be 0 minus 3 and 6 minus 0, that will be minus 3 upon 6, it will be minus 1 upon 2. So m is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So y is equals to minus 1 upon 2x plus 3. Now here the important rule over here is that this line is dotted, so it will not be having an inequality sign behind the below the greater than or equals to greater than or less than sign, right? Now see this line, the shaded, the region which I want is below, so it will be y is greater than minus half x plus 3. Is it clear? So y-intercept is 3, gradient is minus 1 upon 2. I hope that's clear, the 4 inequalities. Okay, going towards question number 5, right? In question number 5, find the 2 inequalities that define the region on the grid that is not shaded. It means the region which is this part. So the 2 inequalities which are defining this region are, one is this one and the other one is this one, right? So the dotted one is basically y is greater than 2, because since this is a dotted line, so I'm not putting any inequality behind the greater than below the greater than sign. So y is greater than 2. This is basically showing the region which is not shaded, and second one is shown by this line which I can say that red. So this has a y-intercept 3, so c is equals to 3, and if I take the gradient, so this is 3 comma 0 comma 3, and if I take the another point, that is this one, right? So that will be 1 comma 2. So m is equals to 3 minus 2 1, y2 minus 7 upon x2 minus x1 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So gradient is minus 1. So y is equals to minus x plus 3. So since the region is above, which is not shaded, so y is greater than equals to minus x plus 3. I hope that's clear. Okay, the 2 inequalities which are satisfying defining the region that is not shaded is, one is y is greater than 2, and the second one is y is greater than equals to minus x plus 3. I hope that's clear. Okay, let's move to question number 6. In question number 6 we are having 4 different inequalities all made over here. By shading the unwanted regions, find and label the region R. Okay, so the first one is x is less than equals to 3. So x is less than equals to 3 is, this is x is equals to 3, so less than equals to 3 means this will be this part, right? But unwanted means this part, unwanted. X is greater than equals to 2, so this is the region, this is x is greater than equals to 2, right? So if I see the part which is shown by the inequality that is greater than equals to 2, so greater than this is this part, so less than will be the part behind that, right? Okay, I'm showing these by colors so that the viewers can understand it easily. Okay, the third is y is less than equals to 2x plus 1. So here we have y-intercept as 1, right? If I'm comparing this with y is equals to mx plus c, so this is the y-intercept 1. So this is the line y is less than equals to 2x plus 1. So this in the if I see the region which is showing greater than, so greater than is this part, right? So less than is this part. I want to shade the unwanted, so unwanted part is greater than, right? So greater than will be this part. Okay, I hope that's clear to everyone. Now the fourth one is y is greater than equals to 4 minus x. So here the y-intercept is 4, remaining, definitely the remaining equation is this only. So this is y is greater than equals to 4 minus x. Okay, so greater than equals to means this part, and I want to shade the unwanted, that is the below part of this. So this is the below part, right? So the region which is left over here is this part, which is left over, which is not shaded, this part. I hope that's clear. Okay, moving to question number 7. We have again 3 inequalities over here. Again we have to shade the unwanted regions and find the label the region R that satisfy the 3 inequalities. Okay, starting with the first one, y is less than equals to minus 1 upon 2x plus 6. 6 is the y-intercept. If I am comparing it with the general form, y is equals to mx plus c. So 6 is this part, right? So this is basically y is less than equals to minus 1 upon 2x plus 6. So less than means this one, greater than means the upper part. So I will be shading the upper part over here. Okay, okay, and y is greater than equals to 3x minus 4. So minus 4 is here y-intercept, right? This is y is greater than equals to 3x minus 4. Now here greater than is basically the behind part of this. This is the greater than part, right? I will be shading the less than part. The less than part is basically, right? I hope that's clear to everyone. Okay, so now the third part is x plus y is greater than equals to 5, right? Now y-intercept again is here is 5. So this is basically y x plus y is greater than equals to 5. Now again this the greater than part is basically the part behind, right? This is the part x plus y is greater than equals to 5, right? So this is the greater than part. I will be shading the less than part, right? The less than part is over here. Okay, this is the less than part, right? So I think there's a mistake over here, I guess. Y is less than equals to minus 1 upon 2x plus 6. Let me recheck it. So y is less than equals to minus 1 upon 2x plus 6. This is the less than part, right? We shaded the unwanted greater than part. Okay, this is correct. X plus y is greater than equals to 5. No, the second y is greater than equals to 3x minus 4. So y is greater than, so greater than, we shaded the less than part. X plus y is greater than equals to 5. So this is the less than part, right? Okay, yes. So the unwanted part, unwanted region are shaded. The part which is not shaded is basically this part. I'm explaining the third part again. X plus y is greater than equals to 5 was this one, right? This is the line, right? So in this part, the greater than part is on top, right? Okay, but we want to shade the unwanted, so unwanted is behind. That's why I shaded the unwanted part, right? So the region which is left over is this part. I hope that's clear to everyone. Okay, now finishing this, find the largest value of x plus y largest value in the region R. So I will be noticing some points over here. One point is this, one point is this. So this is basically 2, and y is over here 4, this is 2, and y is over here 5. And if I hit this point, so this is basically 1 and 5. So 1 comma 5 is 6, 2 comma 4 is 6, 2 comma 5 is 7. So the point which is making its largest is 2 comma 5, which is making equal to 7. So I hope everybody enjoyed and understood this video, and inshallah more awaited. Jazakallah. I hope everybody understood all the problems, all the questions, and inshallah we'll be awaiting for the next videos. I would request all the viewers again to subscribe our channel and support our cause. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.